To fix scratches on your phone, computer, or television screen, you can use a scratch repair kit. First, assess the damage to determine if the scratches are surface level or deep nicks. If they are light, purchase a professional scratch repair kit, such as Displex Display Polish or Novus Plastic Polish from Amazon, or check tech departments at Best Buy or Walmart. Make sure to buy a microfiber cloth if your kit does not include one, as it won't scratch the screen during buffing. Power down your device and follow the instructions in the kit, which usually involve spraying a solution onto the scratch and gently buffing it with the cloth. Move the cloth in circular directions. Review the results to see if the scratch is gone. If the screen is significantly damaged, consider buying a new screen cover. Find your device's model number and manufacturer name, then search for screen replacement on a search engine or websites like Amazon or eBay. Contact your local tech department for a price check and weigh the cost of their services and the screen's price against buying a new device. If it's cost-effective, purchase the screen and have it installed by a professional. Finally, buy a screen protector to prevent future scratches.